So, good morning, students. In the earlier class, we have discussed about the half-built house, and we have started the unit number 4, the half-built house, and also we have solved the puzzles, and we have finished with the first two paragraph, right? So, let us recap and let's move to the next one, okay? The Chitnis children were enjoying their summer holidays with their grandmother, Alpana Chitnis. Grandma's farm was an exciting place for Atharv and Neha and their cousins, Disha, Dhruv, and Dev. The children always had plenty to do outdoors: climb trees, go swimming, fly kites, or play football in the open meadow, and sometimes even manage to have an adventure. So in this Chitnis family, the name of the grandmother is Alpana Chitnis. Then Chitnis children means the children who belongs to Chitnis family. So Grandma Alpana Chitnis has a farm, and that farm was an exciting place, was a thrilling place to children to play outdoors, to do plenty outdoor games, means playing outside the home, okay, like climbing trees, go for swimming, flying kites, and play for football in the open meadow, and sometimes even manage to have an adventure. So meadow meaning is an open field of grass. Understood? Let's go and explore the bamboo grove after tea today. It will be nice and cool in the evening, said Atharva, who was 11 years old. He was the oldest, so he decided what everyone would do. Dev, the youngest, was just 8, but he always said, "I can look after myself." So in this family, Atharva was the oldest child, and he was 11 years old, and he always decided what everyone would do and what everyone will play, where everyone would go. So he is the one who will decide. That day he decided to go to explore bamboo grove. So grove is a small group of trees. Athar decided to go to the bamboo grove. They will find out that what is there in the bamboo grove. In the family, Dev was the youngest child. He was 8 years old. But he had a confidence that he will look after himself. So he was having a confidence that he will look after himself. So he had been a part of the group when going to adventure. Okay. The children got onto their bicycles. "Be careful there, children," said Grandma. So children started to go with the bicycle, but before that, Grandma instructed to be careful and to be alert. Okay? "Yes, Grandma, we will be careful. We promise," said Atharva. So, and the leader of Atharva, he is the leader, right? So he replied and promised that he would be alert and careful. Okay? It was 5 o'clock in the evening. On the way to the bamboo grove, they noticed a house that was only half built. So it was evening time. So it's a 5 o'clock. When they were going to bamboo grove, they noticed it. They observed. They found a house It was half built. Half built means it was not fully built. It was an under constructions. Okay. What a nice place to play hide and seek, said Disha, who was almost the same age as Atharva. Let's play here and not go to the bamboo grove. So Disha was almost of the same age of Atharva, who was the leader, and Disha told that it is a nice place to play hide and seek. So it is a nice place to play hide and seek. It's an half-built house, so children can easily play hide and seek. So she suggested not to go to bamboo grove. Instead of that, we can play hide and seek in the half-built house itself. Who told that? Disha has suggested. But what if we see mad dogs there? Asked Neha jokingly. Neha is the another member of the group, that she cutted the joke that if we see mad dogs there, then only Disha and I will go in first. We will see if it is safe to play there, said Atharva. So the Atharva, being a leader, he told that first Atharva and Disha. That Disha is the same age. So they were elder, so decided to go and check whether the place is safe to everyone or safe to play hide and seek. Okay. Neha, Dhruv and they were eager for an adventure. So, meanwhile, Neha, Dhruv and Dev, so other 3 children, they were left behind. They were eager to play. They were excited to play hide and seek. They waited at a distance for the 2 older children to give the sign that all was fine. So they were waiting for the signal. They were waiting for Atharva and Disha so they can go inside and play there. Minutes passed. The 3 waiting outside were getting impatient. And time was passing. The 3 children were waiting outside. Who were left behind, they were impatient. They didn't had patience of that time. They were eager to go inside very soon. They decided to go and find out for themselves what was happening. So what they decided? They go themselves there and find out what was happening there. Just then, Atharva and Disha came running back. So, but as they decided to go inside, Atharva and Disha came back very quick. So, they came back by running. Just then, Atharva and Disha came back running. Quick, let's get back to Grandma's house at once, said Atharva. So Atharva was in panic. He wanted everyone to return Grandma's place. We must tell Dad right away what we saw, said Disha. So, and Disha told we must inform our dad what we saw in the half-built house. Okay, so the next, we must tell Dad right away what we saw. So Disha was telling, we must tell to Dad what we have seen, what we have saw in the half-built house. So the next, after going back to home, did they go safe? That we all will be discussing in the next session. And what will happen after telling to the dad, after reaching to the grandma's place? So that will be discussing in the next session. Okay. So thank you, students.